Welcome or welcome back to Q&D Travels. Today we will be reviewing a room on the Discovery Princess Mini Suite B402. This is room B402 on deck 11 of the Discovery Princess. As you walk into the room, it is a mini suite, and to the left you will see the storage area. Princess do not have doors on the storage area, but this shows you that you have plenty of room in which to do your storage, your luggage. Also, across in the storage area, you will find the bathroom. And in the bathroom, it's a decent sized bathroom. Has a nice tub in which you can soak if you want to have a soak. Have your body wash and your shampoo and conditioner, and plenty of area into which to have additional storage. Also, behind the bathroom door, you have some additional storage here. You have some little shelves in which you can put your items, and you can see your room safe. As you go into the room, you will see that the bed is made up to a queen size bed, and you have end tables on both sides of the bed, and you have your light switch in which you can control your lights. Across on the bed, you will see your television and your climate control. This one has a dividing curtain, so if you have additional people in the room with you, you will have the sofa, which is a pull-out sofa, which can be made up and the area can be separated. Across from the sofa, you will see your vanity, and on the vanity you will see some plugs in which you can plug items in, and you will have your mirror and your lights. Also next to the vanity you have another television, and you also have a coffee table. Since this is a mini suite, it has a balcony. On Princess, their balconies to their suites and balcony rooms aren't very large, but you still have enough area in which you can go out and relax during the cruise. So, this is B402 on the Discovery Princess.